As a YouTuber, you did not start your YouTube channel with the aim to get just 0 or 20 subscribers. Sure, you want to wake up with thousands of subscriber notifications and requests from brands for endorsement. In this video, I'm going to tell you the best hacks to grow your YouTube channel. There are 3 things you need to pay attention to when it comes to YouTube channel. Channel banner, channel icon, channel description, which must include your profile, colors, fonts, and watermark. The more unique your YouTube channel profile is, the easier it is for you to stand out and for your potential subscribers to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Every video you make on YouTube carries a hidden value. The title of your videos tells your subscribers what to expect within the first 30 seconds of watching your video. The thumbnail should spark curiosity about what they should expect, and if your video doesn't meet their expectation, it means you did not deliver value, and it's hard to gain subscribers when you keep letting them down. No matter how large or small your YouTube channel is, cross-platform partnership videos are crucial to getting new YouTube subscribers. There will be some viewers who never heard of Creator C, and the same will be true for Creator D. But if all goes well, some of those new viewers will become subscribers to both creators. YouTube keywords are fundamental to any great channel, and they are your best bet for driving traffic as a YouTuber. When your video titles and description include relevant terms, they will appear higher in search results. Growing a YouTube channel takes patience, creativity, and smart work.